What's up, everyone? Ryan Lawrence with Nashville Cast Fishing. Today's episode comes from Nickajack Lake. It was early March. It turned out to be a really windy day, so I'm going to apologize in advance for the audio. It was kind of hard to control anything, and the wind was blowing 20 mile an hour. But stay tuned. There's some real nice fish caught, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. Thanks. There we go, boys. There we go. Got one on. If you ever see that takedown, that was a good one. Doesn't feel like the biggest fish, but boy, he hit it like a champ. Bring him up slow. He's in deep water. You want to bring him up slow. Or let him release them bubbles. Get their air bladders full if you bring them up too fast. So we just want to try doing it slow. He hit like he's a lot bigger than that. So get the skunk out the boat though, that's the main thing. Get the skunk out, we'll find some bigger ones. We'll try to find his granddaddy. We do have a good bit of current, so at least in this area. We were this morning, didn't have very much current. Grab him. Oh, there we go. Got a hard belly. So what I do is made this little tube, this little PVC pipe. I drill a bunch of little holes in it. And you bring them up from real deep water, I gotta decompress. You just wet it first and just slowly stick it down. And then you'll hear them burp, is what we call it. But you'll hear that air decompress from them. Then his belly's soft, and we know we can just send them on home. Down he goes. Hooked up, feels like a good one. I don't even have all the rods out yet, so I still got to mess on them for it. Of course, there's a lot of current up here, so I don't know how big it is. He's done strapped off, ripped off. I don't know how much drag. fit. I hope it's a decent fit. You got this much turn, it's hard to tell. Wind is making stuff miserable. I know you probably can't hear a word I'm saying. Try to get this net. Come up over. Oh, gracious. This feels like a flathead, but I'm pretty sure it's blue. Ripped off a bunch of drag and it's not that loose. I thought my drag was loose, but not for as much as he ripped. Yeah, it's a nice blue. Real nice blue. He ain't ready. There he is. Real nice blue cat. I think he got me done more whooped out than him. Let's get him back in the water. Hooked up again, guys. They got another rod getting hit on the other side. Oh shoot. That branch. He is a fighter. He ain't that big, but good. Let's see how much current we're in. Good thing. It's hard to land them in this current. Weight got hung on a net. Nice little fish guy. Oh, he's a feisty feller. Get him back. Another nice fish. Oop, move the camera back. Another nice fish. He's definitely been down grappling us out and got a bunch of leeches on him. Everything else. Let's get him back. Alright, y'all. We're getting ready to call tonight. We're heading back into the ramp right now. We're almost there, but thanks for watching. I hope you like what you've seen. If you did, please subscribe, tell your friends, share it, and hopefully we'll see you back out for the next adventure.